Hello traders, welcome back to another exciting video on my channel. Today, I've got something special for you, the Easy Breakout Indicator for MT4. If you're tired of indicators that repaint or give confusing signals, you're going to love this one. The Easy Breakout Indicator doesn't repaint, works smoothly on every time frame, and can be used for Forex, commodities, indices, literally any asset you prefer. But here's the best part. It comes with built-in automatic stop-loss levels and multiple take-profit targets based on Fibonacci levels. It's designed to make your trading easier and more accurate right away. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to use this indicator correctly. And here's something extra special. I've taken live trades based on signals from this indicator, so you can see how it performs in real-time market conditions. Make sure to watch the video until the end, because these live examples will clearly show how effective this indicator can be. Before we get started, a quick reminder. Forex trading always involves risk. Past performance does not guarantee future results. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Always trade responsibly and only risk money you're comfortable losing. All right, now let's jump straight onto the charts and see how the Easy Breakout Indicator works. How to use the Easy Breakout Indicator. Understanding signals. Buy signal. You'll get a buy signal when the price clearly breaks above the blue resistance line. That signals prices could keep going up. Sell signal. A sell signal appears when the price breaks below the red support line, indicating prices may continue going down. Entering the trades. For a buy trade, wait until a candle closes fully above the blue resistance line. Then, enter the trade. For a sell trade, wait for a candle to fully close below the red support line before entering. Stop loss and take profit. You don't need to guess. The indicator automatically shows you where to set your stop loss to limit your risk. It also shows you 5 clear take profit levels based on Fibonacci targets, so you can easily choose how much profit you're aiming for. Risk management. Always protect your account by risking only 1 to 2% per trade. This keeps your trading safe even during tough market conditions. Best time frames and assets. The good news is, you can use this indicator on any time frame and asset. Whether it's Forex, gold, crypto, or stocks, it's incredibly versatile. Monitor and adjust your trades. Once your trade is live, keep an eye on it. Be ready to adjust your stop loss and take profit targets if the market starts to change significantly. Practice before you trade. Real money. Always test this indicator first on a demo account. Practice and see how it performs before risking real money. Backtesting on historical charts can also boost your confidence. Enjoying this so far? Smash that like button if you find value in this video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss future trading strategies and indicator reviews. All right, let's continue and see how our live trades turned out. Fantastic. As you can see, our first trade was successful. We hit our take profit target perfectly. That's exactly why I love using the Easy Breakout Indicator. It makes trading easy and profitable. But hey, let's not stop there. Let's patiently wait for another clear breakout signal. Remember, patience is key in trading. Let the indicator show us the perfect opportunity. All right, traders, we've just received a fresh buy signal from the Easy Breakout Indicator. You can see the price has broken above the blue resistance line, which means it's time to take action. Let's go ahead and place a buy trade right now. Now, as always, we'll follow the indicator's guidance and set our stop loss and take profit at the levels it has provided. Everything's set. Now we wait and let the market do its thing. This is one of the best things about the Easy Breakout Indicator. It keeps everything simple, clear, and based on solid technical logic. No guessing, no stress. While we wait, this is a great moment to remember. Trading is all about consistency and following a solid system. And that's what this indicator helps us do. Let's see how this trade turns out. And if it hits our target like the last one, you won't want to miss the result. And yes, we won the trade again. That's a solid confirmation of how powerful the Easy Breakout Indicator can be when used correctly. We've covered a lot in this video, and I truly hope you found it helpful. If something wasn't 100% clear, Feel free to rewind and rewatch the part where I explain the perfect trade setups. It's super important to understand every detail. Want to try this indicator yourself? The download link is right there in the video description, so go check it out. Now it's your turn to take action. Open your MT4 platform, add the indicator, and start practicing on a demo account. Remember, no rushing. Focus on learning, stay consistent, and always stick to your strategy. That's how real progress is made in trading. If this video helped you even a little, here's how you can support the channel. Subscribe so you never miss powerful strategies, tools, and live trades. Like the video, it really helps the video reach more traders like you. Share it. Know someone who needs this? Send it their way. Thanks so much for watching. It truly means a lot. We're building an amazing community of smart, disciplined traders, and I'm glad you're a part of it. Catch you in the next video. Until then, stay focused, trade smart, and happy trading.